Say hi to the camera.
Oh, say hi.
Say hi.
Oh, grade 6.
Grade 6, say hi to the camera.
who believed and dearly love the Filipinos.
Not just go home, but because you want to stay here 4 years, you don't want to miss a beat here.
Sa stage,
You won?
sasayaw po habang may buwan. So, exciting na po, exciting part na tayo.